Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the watch as the main device. Power it on, charge above 50%, and enable Bluetooth and airplane mode exceptions. This prevents interruptions. If your watch supports direct Wi-Fi, have the network name and password ready. Create or sign into the manufacturer account directly on the watch so settings sync locally. This lets you pair to services without a phone. Once done, open the watch's pairing or connectivity menu to begin discovery. Next, you run the watch's pairing or setup wizard. Choose the option for standalone setup or scan the QR code shown by a web portal on another device. This authenticates you without a phone. Connect the watch to a Wi-Fi network or activate an eSIM/LTE plan through the carrier menu so apps can download. Make sure you grant permissions for location, notifications, and background updates. Without them, connectivity and features break. Once connected, install essential apps directly on the watch. To finish, verify synchronization. Confirm time, contacts, calendars, and cloud settings updated on the watch. Test a notification and an app update to ensure background data works. If an app or service doesn't appear, restart the watch, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and retry the connection flow. This often clears transient errors. If things still fail, back up watch data and perform a factory reset. Then repeat setup. Only do this as a last resort because it erases local settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.